Hello everyone, welcome back to WP Solution Hub. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to load CDN files in WordPress without editing your theme files. We'll use a free plugin to add popular front-end libraries like Bootstrap 5, Font Awesome, Bootstrap Icons, Box Icons, and AOS Animation. It's simple, beginner-friendly, and works with almost any WordPress theme. So, let's get started. First, open your WordPress website. For this tutorial, I'm using a local WordPress installation. Now log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, from the left-hand menu, go to Plugins, then click Add New Plugin. In the search box, type WP Code. Find the WP Code plugin by Syed Balki. Click Install Now, and once the installation is complete, click Activate. After activation, you'll see a new menu called Code Snippets in your WordPress dashboard. Now go to Code Snippets and click Add Snippet. From here, click in Add Your Custom Code, then click New Snippet. Then choose PHP Snippet as the code type. This is where we'll add the WordPress enqueue code for our CDN libraries. Instead of writing all the code manually, we can use an AI tool like ChatGPT or Claude AI to generate it for us. I'm using the prompt shown here to generate the code. You can use the same prompt or modify it depending on which libraries you want to add to your website. Submit the prompt, and the AI will generate the complete enqueue code. Before using it, quickly review the generated code. Make sure the CDN links are correct, and check that the same library hasn't been added more than once. Once everything looks good, copy the generated code. Then go back to your WordPress dashboard and paste it into the WP code editor. Before moving on, check the first line of the code. If your generated code includes the PHP opening tag shown here, simply remove that first line. WP code already treats the snippet as PHP, so you don't need to include it. Once that's done, your code is ready. Next, give your snippet a clear name so you can easily recognize it later. The name is completely up to you. Just make sure it's clear and easy to recognize, especially if you plan to create more snippets later. Once everything is ready, click Save Snippet. Then change the status from inactive to active. After that, click Update to save your changes. And that's it. Before we finish, here are 5 quick tips. Tip number 1. Always use official or trusted CDN sources whenever possible. Tip number 2. Avoid loading the same CSS or JavaScript library more than once. Your theme or another plugin may already be loading it. Tip number 3. After activating your snippet, always check the front end of your website. Test your pages, menus, forms, animations, and other interactive elements to make sure everything is working correctly. Tip number 4. Give each snippet a clear and descriptive name. This will make things much easier to manage when you have multiple snippets in your dashboard. And tip number 5. If you're no longer using a library, disable or remove it. There's no need to load extra files that your website doesn't use. That's it for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to WP Solution Hub for more beginner-friendly WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.